Hey, what's up guys? I'm back with another video today. First of all, before we go to today's content, I must apologize for not being able to upload a new video earlier than this. Anyway, as I promised on my last video, I'm going to teach you how to recover from ADHD problem once and for all. I'm not only going to change your life, but also going to make you smarter than anyone around you. You will be able to fix every problem you have due to ADHD, and not only that, you will be motivated to become the person you always wanted to be. I'm not bragging. After 10 years of research and practice, I learned how to unlock the unlimited possibilities your mind can achieve you never thought possible. Okay, buckle up guys. I want you to be excited and trust everything I say and do exactly what I say. And there's something you need to keep that in your mind. We are dealing here with your brain and mind. It's not like you are going to the gym and doing workout to get a perfect body shape. Because when it comes to physical exercises, not only you, but also your trainer or anyone can see the progress because it is visible, right? So you can get an outsider's opinion and make changes to your workout accordingly. They're pretty simple, huh? But when it comes to mental exercises, when you are trying to fix your mental issues, it's going to be all by yourself. So you have to make sure you are doing the right thing always. So that is why I am here to guide you. But some of you may find this hard to do. But trust me, everything is hard at the beginning, but eventually it becomes easier. You know that there is no gain without pain, right? Okay, now we need a dojo to practice this. You can use your workplace or a place where you study or anywhere you spend most of your time. It should be somewhere you have to follow instructions and responsibilities. So obviously it's your workplace. The workplace represents the real world, the task to handle, responsibilities, time management, people. So better start from there. But if you think your home is better at the beginning, no problem, go ahead, do it. Most important thing is starting. So let's take as an example your workplace. When I first started this training, I used to work in a factory line where I had to do the same work over and over all day, which was very boring. So first of all, you have to completely focus on the task you're supposed to finish. Let's say you are writing an email or you are assembling something in the factory line. Then you have to completely focus on what you are doing. You need to feel that you are empty-minded and completely paying attention to what you are doing. So that is important. You can't think about anything while you are handling your task. You have to make sure of that. If you do it right, you won't be able to stay focused not more than a couple of seconds. Your mind will start jumping to different thoughts. If you feel that way, then you are doing it right. If you can pay attention to your task over 30 seconds, then it means you are doing it right. Because if you have ADHD, it is really hard to do. This won't be easy because your mind is like a untamed crazy monkey and it will jump here and there always. So to control that monkey mind, you have to pay attention to the tiniest details possible on the task you are handling on your working desk, so that you can keep the monkey busy supporting you to handle your task properly. That is how we are going to practice and train your mind to stay focused. I hope you understand this part. The second part we need to practice is awareness. What is awareness? It means you are completely aware of where you are and what is going on around you always, every millisecond. In other words, stay in the present moment. Have you seen some people catching a falling glass, or responding quickly when someone calls their name. Those are the people who have good awareness of their surroundings. So we are going to do the same here. So how do we practice it? Here is the technique. When you are at work, you need to take a look around your workplace and make sure you see everything around you. People walking, talking, the sound of the clock ticking, listening to what people are talking a little bit. Pay attention to all the details around you in less than 1 or 2 seconds. Then try to see it. Try to make sure you remember them. Do not spend more than 2 seconds, because if you spend more time, your monkey mind will jump somewhere. So you can check whether you can remember everything you saw when you look around by closing your eyes and trying to recall. You look around, you see, hear, feel everything you recall. You don't have to do this faster at the beginning, but make sure you are doing it. That is important. And when you do this, you have to make sure your mind is empty. Just like when we focus on handling the task. The same way. I hope you understand this part. This is actually a little bit hard to explain. If you don't understand, please write it in the comment section so that I can explain again on a different video. Then the next step is blending focus and awareness together. So how do we do that? Let's say after focusing to your task around 2 to 3 seconds, like I said before, then you have to stop what you are doing and switch your focus to your awareness, to your surroundings. Then, like I explained, look around within less than 2 seconds. Switch your focus back to your task again. This way, you have to switch your focus to your task and surroundings back and forth as long as you can. You focus to your task, then you switch your focus to your surroundings, then you look around, you stay there, you remember everything, you recall everything, then you switch back to your task again, then you involve with your task once again. Then again, you stay on your task like 2 seconds, then switch your focus back to your surroundings once again. So you have to repeat this pattern over and over. Then there's a problem comes. When you try to switch your focus to your surroundings, your monkey mind will try to run somewhere. To minimize that, you have to keep your breathing on a medium level. Not breathing too high or not too low. Keep it on the middle level. You have to pay attention to your breath. You have to pay attention to your breath too. The same time you do switching. This middle level rule is extremely important. Everything I ask you to do has a meaning behind. I can break it down, everything I say here, but I don't want to confuse you with too many details on this video. I will explain everything in my next videos, step by step when the right time comes. So you have to be patient. That is why breathing is important when controlling the mind. It supports you to stay empty-minded longer period of time. The purpose of doing all this training is we are programming our subconscious mind to recover our ADHD condition. Once we start programming the subconscious mind, the neural part of your brain will be rewired to erase ADHD disabilities you have had in the past, and eventually you become an entirely different, highly motivated person. At first, of course, this is going to be hard because everything is hard at first, same as going to a gym. But if you push yourself without expecting results soon with patience, and you will see some progress and become motivated to do more training, and eventually you will feel everything become more easier to do. Your whole life since your childhood, you have automatically reprogrammed to be who you are right now. And according to that program, your brain and body also have changed. That is how you get all the negative results you get every day now. So we have to control the mind first and reprogram it. Then it will change the brain, and the brain will change the outcome. When you start doing this practice, you will feel so tired. Your brain is about to explode, burning sensation around your forehead. This is perfectly normal. It happens to me. And if you feel hard to continue, stop the training and take a rest. After you feel okay, and start again. It's better you should not push yourself at first. Go easy on you, because your mind and your brain do not know what are you trying to do to them. It takes time to your mind and brain to understand what you want them to do. Once they realize, they will support you. That is how it works. You won't even need my guidance anymore. This is exactly like you're in the middle of a jungle or a desert or a sea without a map or a compass. I guide you and show you the right direction. All you have to do is learn them and learn how to feel the nature, so that you will get the sense of guiding yourself to the destination you want to be by yourself. Trust me, everything I say. Okay, anyway, I have to finish today's video, but I promise I would come again with another video explaining more about this next week or earlier. If you have not subscribed into my channel, please subscribe and share with your friends and family members who needs help. Then I will be motivated to make more videos. Once you become good at these exercises, you will feel most of your day-to-day tasks become easier to handle. You will feel your memory is boosted, and handling tasks, time management will also become easier. Then you will see that several tiny problems remain that need to be fixed. To fix all, you need to learn manifesting techniques. I use manifesting techniques and I develop them to more effective. And I'm going to teach you everything. Remember, this is for those who never give up on their lives. I am one of them who never give up. And if you are like me, then this is for you. And one thing, if you have not watched my previous videos, please watch, because you will be able to compare yourself and the symptoms I used to have before I recovered from ADHD. And one thing, if you have not watched my previous videos, please watch, because you will be able to compare yourself and the symptoms I used to have before I recovered from ADHD. And also it will convince you to follow my guidance. That is important. And thank you for watching, and have a great day. See you.